guys, this is Rashmi Sinha and most welcome again on my channel. So here we are going to do the same series which was Java, and today's topic is switch statement in Java, which is in a decision control structure. Already part 1 I have shooted. This is the second part where I'm going to tell you about what is switch statement. Okay, so let's move. If we talk about switch statement, in my previous video, as you have already learned about what is if statements, how to work with it, if else, then if else ladder. So in this video, we will learn about switch statement, which is the substitute of if else ladder program. Or you can say when we do not want to use a very lengthy or very exaggerated programs in a ladder, like when we process the if else ladder, what happens? There is means you can say infinite number of conditions can be given. So that looks very lengthy and difficult for sometimes for the programmer. So in that case, we are going to provide a new way of programming, which is switch case. This statement is used to check several possible constant values for an expression. So before showing look the syntax, I would like to explain little more on it. It is used when there is a requirement to check multiple conditions in a program, and we are doing already in the same thing in a if else ladder, but what is the difference? It has some cases, and that case is just like a box. Suppose you have a lot of cupboards in your house. So in each cupboard you keep different products or different objects, which helps us to find things easily. Similarly, in switch case also what happens, all the conditions are kept in cases, and every case will be come out by the break statement, break word. Okay, so look the syntax, how it looks exactly. Switch case has, you can see in the left side that case is given. The first condition is given. Suppose we have 3 roll numbers, roll number 1, roll number 2 and roll number 3. And roll number 1 is Akansha, she is case 1. So we'll put in a case 1, then break. Then second roll number is Samriddhi, she will be kept in a case 2, then break. And the third condition, if you have only 3 conditions, so automatically the third condition will come. So it is written default. So you can see this block of statement get executed if the value of switch expression matches with the label 1. Means if we really searching for roll number 1, then case 1 will execute. Suppose we don't want Akansha to get, we are not searching case 1 or Akansha, we are looking for Samriddhi, which is roll number 2. So the case 2 will execute, and if both the cases are wrong, then definitely the third roll number Vaishali will execute. So this is by default, it happens. By default means which automatically happens. So what did you get it in a switch statement is used where there is a requirement to check multiple conditions in a program. So we use instead of if ladder, as I already told in the beginning, that we use instead of ladder, and if we put cases, if it satisfies, then that block get executed, otherwise it goes to another block. This is the simple process of doing this. Now look the program here. This is an example. Write a program to accept a number from the user and print the corresponding colors of the R, G and B. And this is R for red, number 1, green is G, which is number 2, and blue is number 3, which is denoted by B. So the program started as usual as we start. The first case you can see what is written in system.out.println. While writing programs, be careful which letter should be in uppercase and which letter should be in lowercase. Where we have to put small brackets, where we have to use curly brackets and the semicolons also, because they will take your marks in examinations. So be careful for doing this, and as well as this program won't run on Java screen. So in this program, system.out.println, first condition is taken, that is color is red, and then break is written. Now In the second case, what is done? System.out.println has taken color is green. And again we have written break, means this right side is given, the comment is written. That is not required to write. This is only to make you understand. So you don't use this comment, this block will be executed. This don't use, okay? You have to write the program till the semicolon is given. Then case 3 will reach and system.out.println. This time we'll use color is blue. And then we break this condition. You can see a new thing in this program. There is the default condition, and in default condition the fourth statement is written. What is written? System.out.println wrong choice. Suppose anybody is going to click the color purple, then that is a wrong choice. Only R, G and B, these three colors will be taken by this program. If any other color you click, that color will be taken as a wrong choice. So 4 statements will come at the end of this program. What precautions we take while doing switch case? If the break statement is not applied at the end of each case, then the control enters into the next case statement for the execution. What does this mean? This means if you will not use the break word after each condition, that program will not understand that where this condition should stop. So both the conditions will be contained in a one box. This unusual execution of more than one case at a time is termed as fall through, means that program is useless, in which the execution of program starts from the correct case but does not stop till it finds a break. Means for example, I tell somebody to find something in a cupboard and I did not notify which cupboard that person has to check. That what that person will do. Every cupboard that person will go through and will mess the house. Similarly, if you will not use case after case break statement, the program will be a complete mess. Means it won't stop until it find break, and then you will not get any output of that program. So be careful while writing this break case conditions. You have to put the case, and after that every case you have to break. If you are using default, that's all right. Default means the next condition which you wanted to end the program. And the task, that this is the time for the task. Learn definition and syntax of switch case. Syntax of all programs you must practice, because without that you cannot be able to write any program. Write a Java program using the switch case to print the corresponding days of number. I am giving you a small task where you have to make the same program as the color was given. The color wala program was given. Similarly, you write a program where 7 days are given. One is Monday and rest numbers, consecutive numbers for the next other days. Okay, so make this program and definitely leave in my comment box that program. I'll be go through, verify all answers and let you know that you are right or wrong. Okay, and definitely help you personally also. My wish that you please be very strong in Java programming, and if you have any problem, please leave your comments in my comment box. And your opinions and your good compliments also. I'm very grateful that you people are writing. And thank you for watching. If you liked it, then don't forget, as you are sharing my videos, subscribe. You have already subscribed it, but you forget to press the bell icon. That's why you are not getting my next video. And my next video will be same series of this, where I'm going to put buzz number and Fibonacci, and there are other programs too. So thank you. Till then, please keep safe at your places and just go through all the my videos which I have already shooted on Java, so that you will be more clear and more understanding. Everything will be clear, because there are 7-8 more than 7-8 I guess. There is a playlist of my programs of this Java. You can go through. This is the beginner level, so you can do it. And thank you for watching. Good luck.